माननीय सभासदों, माननीय उपसभापति जी।
Namaskar, namaskar. Now, honorable members, on the issue which some members on this side was agitated, as I told you earlier, at 12 o'clock, honorable chairman will be in the chair. At that time, the final decision will be announced. There is already some consensus, and therefore, please wait up to 12. So I am going to the next business. That is, I was already. No. I already said, yesterday also I said, morning also I said, that yes, chairman will come. I told honorable chairman will come, then it will be, there's only a minor, that is over. In presence of chairman, when he is on the chair, it will be settled. So don't worry, wait up to that time. Now,
No, the debate has taken place here and debate has taken place there also. So the minister has to schedule his this thing of coming here and then going there. Try to understand what I'm saying. So let us work out the timing
no
for
problem.
Lok
Yeah.
Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Yes, certainly.
And also, I have another additional
That is
small
no problem.
information to share with the members.
No,
because
accordingly-
they are concerned. The Honorable Prime Minister is going to Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry and Andhra Pradesh today, just now, for aerial survey. That's the
yeah,
information.
that can be readjusted, no problem. Sri Tarun Vijay, 0 hour. Sri Tarun Vijay.
आदरणीय सभापति महोदय, मणिपुर हमारा बहुत ही संवेदनशील और बहुत
No, please. My God. Your 267 notice is not in order. For 26, because 267 is for suspension of a rule.
Yeah.
In the notice, you have to mention which rule is to be suspended. And especially,
पूरी कार्रवाई-
let me
पूरी
say,
कार्रवाई
let me complete. Not only that, 0 hour is not based on a particular, on a rule. Therefore, in 0 hour, I cannot suspend anything.
अच्छा तो फिर पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर सुन लीजिए।
Please.
पॉइंट
Please.
ऑफ ऑर्डर।
Please.
डेरिक,
Please.
डेरिक,
Naresh ji,
डेरिक,
please.
आप आगे सुनो तो।
Naresh ji, please.
नहीं,
You can,
आर्टिकल
Nare-
368, आर्टिकल 368, आर्टिकल
Naresh ji,
368।
why do you do like this?
आर्टिकल 368 देख लीजिए।
Article 368. See,
आर्टिकल 368।
members get 0 hour submission after the great problem. And 368 क्या है? बोलो. Is one point of order, look up. What is 368?
368।
I am not an expert in constitution to know what is 368 without referring to the constitution. Yeah.
श्रीमान, संविधान ने इस सदन को, ये दोनों सदनों को संविधान संशोधन करने की पावर दी, कानून बनाने की पावर दी, और ये सदन का कर्तव्य है कि कानून को चाहे बनाए चाहे संविधान में संशोधन करें। और आज तक दोनों पार्लियामेंट, दोनों सदन 100 से ऊपर संशोधन कर चुके हैं। श्रीमान, पिछले सत्र में इस
What is the point of order? No, I am listening to you. I am not allowing you. Let me listen to you. See, so what is your point of order?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, पिछले सत्र में इस सदन ने एक संशोधन किया कानून में, संविधान में संशोधन ये किया कि नेशनल जुडिशरी अपॉइंटमेंट कमीशन बनाया। इन संशोधन करके वो लॉ बना, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की सर्वोच्च बेंच बैठी पीठ, और उसने जो हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में अमेंडमेंट किया था उसको नल एंड वाइड कर दिया। श्रीमान, प्रश्न इस बात का है कि जब उसने नल एंड वाइड कर दिया तो फिर संविधान में 368 का महत्व रह गया कि नहीं? क्या 368 के अंतर्गत हम संविधान में संशोधन कर सकते हैं कि नहीं?
No, I would say, okay, if you are interested in having a discussion on this subject, why don't you give a notice, proper notice? Why don't you give a proper notice? Okay. Yeah, Sri Tarun Vijay.
सर, मणिपुर भारत का बहुत ही संवेदनशील प्रांत है जहां लगातार इतने असंतोषों के कारण 160 दिन, 170 दिन, 80 दिन के लंबे बंद होते हैं, वहां की जनता उससे संतुष्ट रही। लेकिन पिछले दिनों 9 वहां के नौजवान पुलिस की गोलीबारी में मारे गए। सर, वे हमारे ब्लड एंड किथ एंड किन हैं, वे हमारे परिवार के सदस्य हैं। उनकी मांग थी कि जो मणिपुर सरकार ने 3 बिल पारित किए हैं, उसमें वहाँ की जो ट्राइबल पॉपुलेशन है उसकी सलाह नहीं ली गई। इनर लाइन परमिट वहाँ लागू किया गया और इसके कारण जो असंतोष पैदा हुआ उसके विरुद्ध वे प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, सत्याग्रही थे, उनके पास कोई हथियार नहीं थे। अमूमन ऐसे प्रदर्शन को रोकने के लिए पुलिस जो है रबर बुलेट या आंसू गैस के गोले छोड़ती है, लेकिन उन पर लाइव बुलेट छोड़ी गई और 9 नौजवान मणिपुर के वहां पे मारे गए। अध्यक्ष महोदय, इतना असंतोष और गुस्सा है उनमें, वे 9 के 9 बच्चों के जो लाशें हैं उन्होंने अभी तक दफन नहीं की हैं। उनके जो लास्ट राइट्स हैं वो कंप्लीट नहीं किए गए हैं। वे यहाँ दिल्ली में जंतर मंतर पर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। मिस्टर चेयरमैन सर, दे आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ इंडिया, they are the children of Mother India. Whatever their demands, whatever their issues, those have to be looked into seriously and sincerely. They have said that the state response to agitation is deplorable. The Manipur police used tear gas and, if necessary, rubber bullets for the valley protesters. Live bullets were freely used for tribal protesters without warning. Without warning. This was not the first time. Sir, they have demanded that the Manipur Assembly has passed 3 bills and they have demanded that the central government must look into it. They are our children. We must look into this issue with a sensitive heart, with the spirit of belongingness. They are also always feeling a sense of alienation. They feel that Delhi does not listen to them, the government does not listen to them. I am voicing their concern here. They are sitting at Jantar Mantar and more than 92 days have passed. They have not done the last rites for the 9 unfortunately dead children of Manipur. I demand, sir, that the government should look into it. It should not be just Manipur. Central government must look into it and help those children. Thank you.
Shri Sanjeev Kumar. Shri Sanjeev Kumar.
सर महोदय,
All those who associate will be
झारखंड
ordered.
के धनबाद जिले में
Okay, associate.
सर
Sanjeev, no, his time. Sanjeev Kumar time is
ये
going.
सर महोदय, संजीव कुमार जी का टाइम है। महोदय, प्लीज लेट मी स्पीक।
Okay, fine.
ओके, थैंक।
Sanjeev Kumar, you start.
महोदय,
How can he start, sir?
महोदय,
How can he start, sir?
Sanjeev Kumar.
दिस इज नॉट
Okay.
This is wrong, sir.
Okay, तब इन बैठिए. संजीव कुमार, बोलो. आप बोलिए.
महोदय,
संजीव कुमार, आप बोलिए.
झारखंड के धनबाद जिले में 6
अब कहिए 3 मिनट
No, don't speak like this. Sanjeev Kumar, please. No, sit down. Why do you disturb this? No, yes, that is on record. Sit down. Sanjeev Kumar, बोलो.
महोदय,
आप बोलिए.
महोदय, झारखंड के धनबाद जिले में 6 लेन NH2 का निर्माण बरवड्डा से पानागढ़ के बीच में हो रहा है। महोदय, पानागढ़ एवं बरवड्डा के बीच निकला शहर है, जिसके बीच से NH2 राजमार्ग 6 लेन बनते हुए गुजरना है। महोदय, निरसा के आसपास बहुत कोयला खाने हैं और निरसा शहर एवं उसके आसपास चारों ओर अच्छे कोयला का भंडार भरा हुआ है, जहां से NH2 6 लेन सड़क गुजरना है।
No, please,
निरसा के
Rajani,
आसपास
don't do
इलीगल
like
माइनिंग
this.
के कारण आग लग रहा है एवं इलाके का जमीन काफी अनस्टेबल है। एक्सपर्ट की राय है कि भविष्य में अनस्टेबल जमीन पर सड़क बनने के कारण 6 लेन धंस सकता है एवं जान माल की भारी क्षति हो सकती है। एक्सपर्ट एवं इलाके के लोगों की राय है कि NH2 को निरसा के बजाय इसके बाहर से अगर निकाला जाए तो फ्यूचर में किसी घटना को टालने के साथ साथ इसे 8 लेन में कन्वर्ट करने में आसानी होगी। महोदय, इस संबंध में दिनांक 22/5/2015 का एक पत्र जो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लेबर एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट, डायरेक्टरेट जनरल ऑफ माइंस एंड सेफ्टी, जो कि प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर नेशनल हाईवे के नाम लिखा है, उसका पैराग्राफ 2 सदन के सामने मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूं। Proposed widening of NH2 at Nirsa area from kilometer 422 to kilometer 435 on both sides would extend it over the workings which had already been made and may jeopardize the safety of such underground workings and in turn the stability of NH2 in future, considering depth of cover of such underground workings and presence of fire etc. However, proposed 6 laning of NH2 going beyond the coal bearing at Nirsa area would be a better option in the national interest so that precious coal, natural resources would not be blocked in the coal bearing areas which would be extracted judiciously in future. महोदय, मैं ये बताना चाहता हूं, हम लोग 6 लेन के खिलाफ नहीं है, लेकिन अगर यदि रोड बनने से लोगों की जान जाती है और अगर एक शहर को बचाने के लिए बाईपास किया जा सकता है और उसमें अगर खर्च होता है तो ये सरकार का पैसा नहीं, जनता का पैसा है, खर्च होने दिया जाए और इसको रोकना चाहिए ताकि फ्यूचर में किसी का जिंदगी को अगली अनसर्टेनिटी में सब्जेक्ट नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Sri K.K. Ragesh. Sri K.K. Ragesh. Yes, all the names associated to be ordered.
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise to raise a very important issue so far as the rubber farmers in our country are concerned. It is reported in the media that farm suicide in our country has been increased into many-fold. In Maharashtra alone, farmers' suicide has been increased into more than 40%. And rubber farmers in our country are also on the verge of suicide. In 2011, rubber farmers are getting 248 rupees per kg of rubber. And presently, it has been declined into less than 100 rupees. You can always excuse saying that it is because of the international prices. Yes, it is due to the international price crunch, international finance crisis that had resulted in the crisis of automobile industry and subsequently to the rubber manufacturing sector, tire manufacturing sector, which ultimately led to the fall in prices of natural rubber worldwide. But the situation in our country was entirely different. In our country, tire manufacturing sector had registered growth during this period. And why it is happening in our country? Why the farmers of our country, rubber farmers, are paying for this? It is because of the policy that has been implemented by the government. You had allowed to import natural rubber from ASEAN countries. In 2008-9, our natural rubber import was 77,762 tons. Presently, it has been increased into 4 lakh tons and 42,000, means 3.64 lakh ton increase, a huge increase. And it is the reason, such an unprecedented import is the reason for price fall of natural rubber. And you are responsible for that. When we are producing natural rubber so as to meet our domestic requirement, why should we encourage this import? And what is the outcome? JK Tyre itself had registered a profit of, an increase in its profit of 124%. MRF, its profit has been increased into 94%. And on the other side, farmers are on the verge of suicide. And
Time over. Time over. Sri Joy Abraham. Sri Joy Abraham. Joy Abraham name is there. After Joy Abraham. After Joy Abraham. No, Balgobali's name is there. I have to call him. No, you sit. No. You don't stand up for everything. Joy Abraham. Sit down, Taban. Taban, sit down. Joy Abraham. I allowed Joy Abraham. His name is there. Sit down. Yes.
I may add one.
Don't encroach on others' time, please.
Sir,
Taban, yes, Joy Abraham.
Chairman, I may add one word only. The parliamentary committee under the chairmanship of Dr. Chandan Mitra has filed a report, submitted a report before this house, and the report is the property of this house. The commerce minister may kindly peruse the report and
Okay,
do the
take a-
needful.
yeah.
The
All right,
farmers
that's enough.
are in
That's enough.
distress.
That's enough. What is Bal Gopal? Okay.
Discussion was here.
Yes,
Rubber
time
board is
over.
selected. Sir,
It is
rubber
time
board,
for
rubber
question
board
hour.
member, it is not constituted.
It is time for
The
question
government
hour.
is taking very negative steps, so the government
Question
has
hour.
to reply on this, sir. So rubber,